and welcome to this week's Where to Wheelock. We are going to be checking out some new construction. I'm so excited. I'm actually standing here at 77 Greenwich. It's down in the financial district, the Jolie. It's a Serhant project, and I'm so excited to show you what's left. They have already started closings, and there's not that much left, but there are still some amazing units available if you would like to get inside. So let's go take a look. I am so excited because I'm here with Kristina of Serhant at 77 Greenwich at the Jolie. So thank you so much for having us.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, thanks. So I'm really excited because I know that this development has amazing views. It's, I think, known for having some of the most amazing views down here in the financial district.
Yes,
so,
and we know how hard it is to get views in the financial district.
Yes. Side note, if you don't know this, financial district is very tightly packed because a lot of it was commercial office spaces. They didn't really care about views. So yes, when she's saying that, take it times 10. You would not understand how hard it is. So it's very special to have this building.
Yeah, so every single apartment at Jolie has a water view. So no matter where you're at in the building, you're gonna have a water view. High floor, low floor. Every single apartment has great light, at least western exposure. Our larger units have southwestern exposure. And we also have this really high ceiling height in every single apartment, just under 11 feet.
Yeah, that is really great because it just feels so open and airy, but it's not so new that you don't know where you can put your artwork.
Right.
I feel like it's a really nice mixture between the brand new glass buildings and something that really does feel like a home.
All our finishes are very light and bright, so it really just makes the spaces feel even larger.
But it does have a great feel to it as well, right? Because it's not just white everywhere.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty great.
So our building is small. We are boutique. So here's our model here. We're 42 floors, 90 apartments. So we're very small, and it's only 4 units per floor. One of the most exciting things about the building is we have a school coming. The first 8 floors of the building is going to be PS 150. It's an elementary school that's moving here from Tribeca. It's going to be opening in fall of 2022, and we have a lot of people coming here for the school and for just the fact alone that it's going to bring so much appreciation to this immediate neighborhood.
Yeah, absolutely. It definitely seems needed for this neighborhood, so it's great they're coming here.
Yep.
How convenient, right, to have your kids go to school downstairs. Yeah, and then can you tell us about the developer, the amenities?
Sure. So our developers are Trinity Place Holdings. They've partnered with FX Collaborative, who's the architect, and then our designer is Deborah Burke. Okay. So she's done so many incredible projects in the city, and we'll walk you through and go over the finishes so you can see that as well.
Awesome. And then something really nice is the amenities are at the top of the building, which you don't always get.
Exactly. You don't have a basement gym. So most of our amenities are on the 41st floor of the building. So by the time you get to 41, you clear all these low buildings down here. So you have a truly an open view. And then we have a beautiful rooftop deck that's really incredible. It's going to be outfitted with barbecue grills. So, and up top we also have a lounge, a gym, a children's playroom. And then the only amenity floor that's not at the top is our 12th floor terrace level. And we also have a dog run here as well. So 7,500 square feet of outdoor space, which is like having a park in your building.
Yeah, absolutely. And the best part is, in your building, you don't have to leave. And I have to say, for dog owners, I love that this is becoming a trend to have dog runs in the building. Who wants to take them outside if you don't have to, especially in the winter, right?
Exactly.
Fabulous. Well, I'm excited to see the finishes.
Yeah.
Let's take a look.
Okay, so we'll walk you through.
All right, so the kitchen.
So every single apartment at Jolie has the same finishes. So our kitchens are top of the line custom polyform kitchens with this blue de Sauvois marble. It's
gorgeous.
French blue marble. Beautiful. Our appliances are Miele and Sub-Zero. We also have a kitchen hood that vents out, which is super, super rare because most buildings, as we know in New York City, don't have the vented kitchen hoods. And we also still have cooking gas. So all new construction is switching to electric, so we're still able to offer cooking gas. Most of our units also have a wine fridge.
And if you're like me, I can't cook on electric. So gas is great to have, especially with the wine fridge, right? For when you're having those dinner parties. No, but that really is special. And again, as you said, venting out, you just don't get that in New York.
So true.
Everywhere. So that's really great. Yeah. Okay, so this is the primary here.
Yes, so our primary suite features a king-size bedroom, so really nice spacious bedroom with 3 closets. You have a double closet and then you have an additional closet here.
So the powder room.
So every apartment at Jolie has one of these beautiful powder rooms. Even our 1 bedrooms come with one of these. It features Calcutta marble for the sink, and then the floors are quartzite, which are beautiful. They're sparkly, and they spill right into the entry of the home. So our primary bathrooms have radiant heated flooring, marble and porcelain tiling, and the fixtures are Hansgrove. They also have a pocket door which separates your toilet from your shower, and they come equipped with a double vanity.
Thank you so much for tuning in and looking at these fabulous views. Don't forget, if you like this, subscribe, like, share with a friend, let us know where we should go to next, and of course, we are here to help you with all of your real estate needs.